Lights, camera, action.
Welcome to Credit Josh. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. I'm back again for a quick 2-3 minute video about my private one-on-one mentorship. I made a video about that a couple of days ago and I took it down because we had all the spots that we could actually fill at that point in time. I actually brought on, because of the high demand, we had over 120 calls and I could only take on 5 monthly mentor clients at one time. Out of over 100 calls, we got 5 signed up, and I went ahead and hired, the last 2 days, hired 3 new people to help me around the office and the studio so I could get more time to mentor a few more clients, all right? So we can take on about 5 or 6 more. I just don't want to take on too many. That's gonna take away from the Get Business Credit YouTube channel content that I'm going to be putting out consistently, along with the Credit Josh content. But if you guys want to get in on those limited spots, this video will be getting taken down probably within 30 minutes to an hour from the time that it's uploaded. You need to call one of my personal assistants. You just have to call this one number and it will evenly route to one of my personal assistants, either Omar or John. So the number is 877-487-2004. Again, it's toll free, 877-487-2004. One more time, 877-487-2004. Why you should get Credit Josh of Get Business Credit for one-on-one mentorship? I don't think I really need to sell you guys. You guys can look at my past videos. The proof is in the pudding, endorsed by Experian and other credit bureaus. You can see that from past videos. But let's just look at here real quick. All right. I'm not going to go through all these. I'll just go through a few of them. Here's one, BP. I got so many stacks here. I got more than probably any YouTuber. Like 17 inches thick of credit cards. Every possible, pretty much American Express card you can have. Brex, Capital and Tap, Fuel Man. And these limits are not low, by the way, you guys. They're not low. And all these are started with a brand new business that's about, started in June 24th. 2020. You guys can look that up on the Secretary of State of Ohio. You can check that out. There is about 20% that is personal guaranteed, but the rest are no personal guarantee. Hilton, Delta Aspire, or yeah, I think it's Delta Aspire. You lose track when you have like 200 credit cards. You kind of lose track, you know. Roadflex. Jeeves, not many people have. Walmart, American Express, Clear Card, another American Express, Row, I'll be bringing that out here soon, very high limit. Ramp, official new sponsor. Personal Card, flagship, 40,000. Clear Card, 20,000. I don't know. I'm not going to show off all these and stuff. You know, I'm not trying to be a show off. I'm just trying to show you what I got and what's achievable. And I can tell you 18 months ago, I didn't have all of these cards. But what's most important is if I didn't know what I was talking about, I wouldn't have this. Okay, yeah. Centurium. See, there you go, Centurium. Got that pretty little box with the Centurium card. I don't know why is it not showing? There you go. And they give you little pamphlets and stuff. All the perks and everything. Anyways, the proof is in the pudding, you guys. If you guys want to get business credit, personal credit, although I don't really focus too much on personal credit, but business credit in general, the proof is in the pudding. I would like anybody to challenge me, any other YouTuber or something to challenge me. Anyways, I got 5 to 7 spots. They'll be booked up tonight, so it's first come, first served basis. You'll speak to either Omar or John and go through. They'll let you guys know the pricing. It's a monthly mentorship, month to month, just 30 days, and you should know what you need to do at that point of time. I'll get you the credit limits. I won't do it for you, but I'll guide you through the process one-on-one, and we'll talk every single week on the phone and email, almost probably daily. Anyways, call 877-487-2004. If you don't, I promise you, you will regret it, because I probably won't bring this video back or offer more spots available until, I don't know, it could be next week or it could be a couple of weeks from now. Who knows? But one more thing I wanted to bring out. A lot of you guys need a website too. I see a lot of you guys don't even have a website. How can you get approved for business credit if you guys don't have a website? Because there's a lot of starter vendors, say like Uline, that they put you on hold when they're checking your, you put your order in, and then they tell you to call the credit department, and then they'll ask you your information. After that, they'll put you on hold for 2 minutes. What they're doing is they're checking your Google business listing, and they're checking if you have an actual website or not. So, you know, my office manager here, he runs his own separate company, Chad from Chad Host. Come on over here real quick. We'll have a sit down meeting, probably interview next week or the week after, right?
Yeah.
And we'll break it down. He is pretty affordable. I don't make any money off of what he does. It's completely separate. He does amazing work. If you can see all my thumbnails and everything else, he's the one behind it. All my video editing, he's also the one behind it. He'll work out pretty good deals. So how can they reach you? Just like simple email address, I think, is the simplest way.
Yeah, exactly. You guys can shoot me an email through chad@chadhost.com. So that's chad@chadhost.com. As soon as you shoot me an email, I'll try to respond as soon as possible.
Yeah, and he'll give you a good deal just because you're part of the GBC family. Again, that's chad@chadhost.com. If you want to get the mentorship, you need to call tonight, because this video will be taken down probably within the next 30 to 45 minutes or so. 877-487-2004. It will be routed to my assistants, John or Omar. And once they tell me that we have, say, 4 or 5 more signed up, guaranteed, then the video is being taken down. Okay? Till next time, you guys take care, and if you don't need the mentorship, it's okay. You just follow my videos. This is just for more guidance on one-on-one attention and stuff. That's all. Till next time, you guys take care. Love you guys all. Stay tuned. I'll release videos tomorrow. Bye-bye.